everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, it's going to be a very quick video because I'm just going to show you how you can make a last minute card just using some vellum. So I have this paper stack here that is called is from Deco Time, and it's called Luxe Paper Book Block, and you've got all different things in here. You have die cuts, you've got vellum quotes, and you've got also pattern paper, which is a very heavy cardstock. And the die cuts here are beautiful. So whatever brand you have, this will do as well. But sometimes people don't know what to do with vellum. This is more for beginners, card makers, but I think it's really important to tell you how you can use these because it's really handy. If you don't have time, you're invited somewhere, you want to make a card, use these. So they come in vellum. Vellum is a very, it depends, you've got different weights, but it has a transparency to it. And here I've got some quotes. So I'm going to use this, and actually what I have already done is I have cut one of the quotes and I have it here, and I'm going to use this piece of paper in order to make a very quick card. So it's going to be more for a female card here, but I will show you another example for a man. So what I've done here, let me zoom back in, is that I already pre-cut and folded a regular A2 size card, and I've pre-cut this one as I told you, and I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape. We all have washi tape, I guess. You can make one very easily. If you don't know how, I have a video that we'll put on the upper right corner. You can go and check that video out. It's very easy to make your own using scraps. So it's a good way to use up your scraps. We never know how to use it. We always use our scraps, and there's always more. So I'm going to just cut here a square piece of my washi tape, and then I'm going to cut it back going angle to angle, corner to corner. I'm going to line up my paper here so I really center it well as I can, and then I'm just going to use these triangles on each corner of my vellum, like if I was doing with pictures. And I'm going to do the same thing on this corner. And I would say it's not straight, it's a bit crooked, but I would suggest, because I think that most of the time washi tape doesn't stick well, so I already pre-cut another piece here. I would put a little bit of glue here on the back of it because it tends to not stick so well, so I think it's better to do it before, you know, in case it's going to go up. So I'm really pressing down here, and this washi tape is gold, so it's really fitting perfectly with this, and that's it. My card is ready. Look at that. It's gold here, gold in the middle, it's pink, it goes very well. If you want, you could put a little embellishment here. Anyway, a message could fit in very quickly. And I thought about this because tonight I am invited, and I had all these paper lying around, and I thought, hey, I might do as well the video on how you can make a very quick card just using what you have, and you have a lot of these at home. And you can buy these vellum completely blank, and you could stamp on it if you wanted to. You can emboss. If you emboss, be careful not putting your embossing heat gun too close, because it might, if it's not too thick, start to melt, but it's really handy. It's a 2-second card. Now I'm going to show you the one I made for a man, which is exactly the same idea. Now my washi tape is going off, and it's the same thing, except that here, as you can see, this one is a regular A2 size card that you open like this. This one I decided to change, and I've used some pattern paper. So this one is really cute. It makes me think of a night. It looks like, you know, a night sky, a galaxy. And again, it's for a birthday, and I just put some washi tape here on top. And this one has little stars, and I thought that the stars with the night sky would fit perfectly. And because it's transparent, you can see through. You can see kind of the details that you can see underneath. And it's very quick, and because it's for a birthday, and also the theme here is a sky night, I have put a little sticker here representing, not sure about the animal, but somebody that has his eyes closed under the night sky, so it could be somebody making a wish. And It's maybe a little tiny, I don't know, girly, but because of the colors, I thought it would still match because there's a lot of blue here. So yeah, and of course you've got a lot of space here to write your message. So there you go, 2 very quickly cards to make. You just need to cut them. You don't even have to glue them down, just maybe the washi tape, and you're good to go. A very quick message inside, you're done. So there you go. Please, if you like this video, very quick one, I think it's going to be my quickest ever, give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get all notifications, and also share on social medias. Thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.